Very good evening, aspirants. I'm Hitesh Hariramani, and I welcome you to one more session on permutations and combinations. Today, we are going to solve higher level questions of permutations and combinations. Let us start some announcements to begin with. You can always use my code Hitesh Live to get an awesome 10% discount on all your courses, all your subscriptions. You'll get 10% discount if you use my code Hitesh Live. Iconic that is a course that you should seriously consider. Why? You are getting mentored by Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta passouts. You are getting taught by Plus educators. All the benefits of Plus are included in Iconic. Up and above that, you're getting mentoring by these guys. You get personal mentoring, they'll share with you that group links where you can communicate with them. They'll give you personal test reports and analysis. They'll help you with the other management exams. If you want to be here, if you plan on being the at an academy, I will suggest you join an academy now. Starting a preparation early is the key to clearing the CAT exam. Start at the earliest to crack CAT. You can always use my code Hitesh Live to avail a 10% discount on all these courses. These are the plus batches we are launching for you every few days. On 26th of May, we launch one batch for you. On 29th, one batch. On 2nd of June, another batch. Why so many batches if you ask me? Because we want you to have enough options to pick from. It is you who will decide which batch do you want to go to. If you're not able to keep up with a batch, you can switch to another batch. You can switch to another batch. All these are benefits of Plus. You get to see who the educators are: Lokesh Agrawal, Bharat Gupta, Himanshu Das. You can go to all our profiles and decide which batch you want to go with. You can use my code Hitesh Live to get 10% discount on all your subscriptions, all your courses. You can communicate with me through YouTube's live chat feature. I'm live for you through my phone. This is my profile. My policy, I cannot share with you my Telegram group link, but you can always communicate with me on Unacademy app. I will be happy to add you to my Telegram group. Over the years, I have worked with all these players: Career Forum, IIMs, Takshila, Time, Genesis Mentors, Career Launchers. For two of these players, I have conducted workshops and sessions on city level. Over the years, for one of these players, I have trained their faculties of Nagpur, Pune, Nasik, and Ahmedabad. The commitment to you is the commitment that I give to anyone who attends my lecture is: methods I share are the methods I personally apply in exams. So if I'm able to score a percentile like 99.97 in quant, 99.96 in quant, 99.9 I have scored so far 2 times, 99.5 I have scored so far 3 times, you also can manage these percentiles. You also, with some practice after learning these methods, can score this high in the exam. This is a question from 2010. I'll give you about to try and solve the question. Start, guys. Start solving the question. Give it a try. If there is any audio video lag, immediately inform me. I'll change network settings. Start solving the question, guys. I have helped you in solving question like this earlier as well. What does the question say? In how many ways can 6 letters A, B, C, D, E, and F be arranged in a row? In a row means in a line. In how many ways can these be arranged in a line such that D is always somewhere between A and B? D should be between A and B. The order of A and B can be changed, but D must be arranged in any manner they like. That means if I want to arrange C, C has got one option, two options, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 ways. There are 6 ways in which C can be placed, taken a position. Now, if I talk about E, E has got one option, two option, three option, four option, 5 options. E has got 5 options where he can go, where it can go. So let us say E has been. F, F has got 4 options, 1, 2, 3, and 4, where F can go. Let us say this is F. I have arranged those people first who did not put any condition for me. They are okay to go wherever they are comfortable with. But these three come with conditions, and the condition is Delhi D must be between A and B. Now, do you see? Luckily, there are 3 empty spaces. Because there are 3 empty spaces. See, it could have been the last 3 consecutive. It could have been the first, last, and the middle place. It could be any place. There are 3 empty places. That is what I wanted. Now, D has to be, must be exactly between the other two. Now, the other two can be either A or B, or can be B or A. If this is A, this is B. If this is B, then this is A. So there are 2 options of arranging these three. So your answer is 6 into 5, 30, into 4, 120, into 2, 240. So if you come across such condition based question that a person must be between, what does the question say? There are 10 points on a line. There are 11 points on another line which are parallel to each other. In how many ways, in how many ways can a triangle be drawn? Triangles can be drawn between these two lines with vertices on these two lines. So visualize. This is the line which has got 10 points. You don't have to draw everything, don't worry. And this is the line which has got 11 points. You don't have to draw the complete thing. Now please observe. You are going to form triangles. A triangle needs 3 points. All 3 cannot be linear. So what I can do is, if I select any 2 points, let us say I select this one and this one, and I select this one, I will have a triangle. Or if I select these two with this one, I will have a triangle. So as long as I select 2 points on the same line and third point on the next line, I will have triangles. There are 10 points on the first line. I can select any two I can select. and out of these 11, I will have to select one. I want this and I want this. So they are happening one after other. So in this case, you multiply outcomes. Second method of solving this is, second result that we need here is, out of the 11 points, I could have, you have a triangle. Is there any other way to get the answer faster? Think over this. I have total 21 points in the entire space. 21 points. I should be able to complete a triangle with any 3 points. Any 3. But if I select 3 points on the same line, it is not a triangle. So out of 10, selecting 3 is something I do not want to happen. I cannot let happen. And out of 11, selecting 3 is something I cannot let happen. The difference between two small numbers multiplied and then added, here I'm dealing with 3 large numbers added and subtracted. Observe, 21 into 20 into 19 divided by 3, 2, 1. That is how we calculate combinations faster. This is cancelled 7 times, this is cancelled 10 times. So 70 into 19. What are we getting here? Forget 10, multiply 7 and 19. See, 7 into 20 is 140. Minus 7 is 133 into 10. So what I have is 1330 calculated. You want 10 combination 3, 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3, 2, 1. 3 is cancelled 3 times. This is cancelled 4 times. That is 120 subtracted. That is 0, 1, 1, 2. 11C3. What is 11C3? 11, 10, 9 upon 3, 2, 1. Be careful now. Cancel 4 times. Cancel 5 times. 3 times. 15 into 11. 15 into 11 is 165. So I will subtract 165 further. Look at this. Look at this. This answer perfectly matches the T. So guys, there are more ways to solve a question. That is what I wanted you guys to observe and learn here. Let us try a few more questions. This is a very good question, very beautifully framed question. You would find application of this thinking in numerous mocks. I have to look at my phone beta because I am looking at your comments. If anyone needs any help, I'll be live here. I'm live here on YouTube live chat for you. My screen is in complete screen share mode, so I cannot see anything on my screen. I can communicate with you through my. Ashish is given rupees 158 in 1 rupee denominations. So basically he is given 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee 158 times. He has been asked to allocate them in a number of bags such that any amount required from rupees 1 to rupees 158 can be given by handing out a certain number of bags without opening them. What is the minimum number of bags required? What is the minimum number of bags required? So let me break it down to you in a layman's language. I am offering you some number of coins, and you cannot keep these coins as change. You must put these coins in bags. How many bags, what money to put in that bag is up to you. Then I'll come to you and I'll ask you, let us say, pay me 114 rupees, 114 rupees. You should be able to pay me that amount without opening bags. You can say, take this bag, take this bag, take this bag. That is your amount. I might ask you for 15 rupees. Any amount from 1 rupee to 158 can be given out by handing out a certain number of bags without opening them. In this question, if you randomly start solving, you can never answer this question. If you start thinking logically, you can answer this question in 2 minutes. The question is, how many minimum number of bags are required to distribute all this money? What is the minimum number of rupees anyone can ask you? Think of this. I'm giving you 1 rupee coin. Numerous coins I have given you. I have given you 158 coins. What is the smallest amount anyone can ask you? 1 rupees. I'm making one bag with 1 rupee in it. That is all. One bag with 1 rupee coin in it. On the top of the bag, I will write 1. It contains 1 rupee. What is the next amount anyone can ask you? 2 rupees. So I'm making one more bag. These are bags. In that bag, there is a 1 rupee coin and there are 2 coins of 1 rupee. So 2 rupees inside it. 2 rupees inside it. What is the next amount anyone can ask you? 3 rupees. Do you need a bag for that? Think. You already have 1 rupee. You already have 2 rupees. By combining, can you create 3 rupees? Yes. So don't make a bag for 3 rupees. What is the next amount you can ask, or I can ask you? 4 rupees. Can you make 4 rupees with this? You have to make a bag. Now, with this, can you pay 5 rupees? Yes. Can you pay 6 rupees? Yes. Can you pay 7 rupees? Yes. So what is the next amount I can ask you? I can ask you 8 rupees. Now you see a pattern happening, a pattern going on here. 1, 2, 4, 8. Next will be what? 16. Next will be what? 32. Next will be what? 64. Now make sure you check what is the addition. There's a trick involved in that. I cannot go into algebra right now, so I will manually add it for you. See, observe, when I add numbers up to 4, the outcome is 7, which is double of 4 minus 1. When I add numbers up to 8, that's algebra ka logic. I'm trying to show you that logic here. When I add numbers up to 8, understand that is going to be 15. So how many rupees have I allotted so far? 64 coins in a bag. How many rupees have I put in a bag? Total number of bags. That is 64 into 2 minus 1. I have assigned 127 rupees. How many rupees were handed down to me? How much money was I provided with? I was provided with 158 rupees. I have already given away 127 in these bags. How many more do I have? Because I cannot have a bag of 128 after this. So 1 coins and say my job is done. 31 coins. 31 coins you put in the last bag and you say my job is done. Bingo. So how many bags have you filled? Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, bag 5, bag 6, bag 7 and bag. So the minimum number of bags you will need is or are 8. You can pay with this any kind of amount from rupees 1 to rupees 158 if it is asked to you that you pay without opening bags. Let us try more questions. Let us try 1 or 2 more problems. For you right now, the scheme that we are running is on 6 months subscription. You get 1 month extension for absolutely free. You pay for 6 months. You pay for 6 months and you get 1 month extension free when the subscription expires. Roughly speaking, in terms of calculations, in terms of percentages, this translates to 14% off. With my code Hitesh Live, you are already getting 10% off. So on an average, roughly speaking, you are getting 28%, 24% discount by combining these two offers. This is the best time you can join an academy plus or iconic, that is up to you, and start your preparation. Start your serious preparation, guys. Understand these sessions on YouTube, these sessions which we call free sessions, in a way they are demos. We try to show you how we actually teach in plus courses. Plus courses is where scores are. Plus courses is where serious aspirants are. So if you are serious about cracking the exam CAT, join us on plus, join us on iconic. Let us try a couple of more questions. And before that, combat. Combat is a small mock exam that you should appear, that you must appear on every Sunday. Why? Why should you appear combat? Because we tell people to solve 35 to 40 marks before cracking CAT, before appearing CAT, if you're serious about it. And here every Sunday you are getting a small mock for free. You are getting a national rank for free. You are getting 30 questions created by our best educators for free. And after the combat is over, you are getting video solution for free. Plus, if you score from rank 1 to 3, you get 1 year subscription. You score rank from 4 to 10, you get 75% scholarship on subscription. 11 to 50, you get 50% scholarship. 51 to 20, you get 25% scholarship, guys. So yes, you should seriously consider appearing combat every Sunday, 12 p.m. Ask a doubt feature is also live for you. See, if you are learning something new with these sessions, you are enjoying these sessions, I suggest you like and subscribe our channel, because we intend to be live daily for you. I'm live on alternate days, some other educators live on alternate days. Daily somebody is live for you. On average, we are live. On average, we are live 6 hours daily on the YouTube channel itself. On Unacademy Plus, all of us are live at least 1 hour, 1.5 hour daily. I am live daily for you guys 2 hours. Free sessions 2 hours daily since last 1.5 months. 5 p.m. I conduct LRDI and 10:30 I cover QA. So if you are a serious aspirant, I would like to see you on an Academy app. Use my code Hitesh Live to activate your profile, to create a profile, and meet me on an Academy app. I have scored percentiles like 99.97, 99.96, 99.9 I have scored 2 times, 99.5 I have scored 3 times. This is all quant. This is all quant. Overall in CAT also I have got percentiles like 99.59, 99.26, 99.42, 99.46, and few more on both sides. So yes, I can help you in scoring percentiles in this range, but for that you join me on an Academy app. So this is a very time taking question. I'm not sure we have enough time. I've just crossed the limit of 30 minutes. Let us wrap it up, guys. Take screenshots of these questions. Maybe we'll pick it up in the next lecture. Take screenshots, guys. Take screenshot of these questions, save these questions, try these questions, solve these in the next session. It's a very beautiful question. I've seen repetition of this question in CAT again. This is an algebra based question. I covering these questions. Permutations, combinations, we are going to cover in detail. If you are on an Academy app, I've already covered 12 hours. I have covered permutations, combinations, and probability in 12 hours on the Unacademy app. I was recently asked, sir, what is the difference between these plus classes and these free sessions you conduct? I'll give you that answer in a very simple manner. Permutations and combinations on plus I have covered in 16 hours with detailed theory, examples, doubt solvings, and tests. Plus is always in quantity, quality, slightly superior or superior, definitely superior than special classes or free sessions. Consider joining Plus if you are a serious candidate and are about to or want to practice. You can like, subscribe, and share this channel or sessions on this channel with your friends. You can reach out to me through my profile unacademy.com/@hari.h for any kind of update or any kind of guidance that is CAT related or aptitude related. I'll repeat that, or you can search my name also, that is Hitesh Hari Ramani. You can search me on the app. I'll try and help you out in a way I can relating aptitude preparation, relating quant preparation. Have a good day ahead, guys.